Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Target Corporation Headquarters Center. The Target Corporation is an American retail corporation. It is the eighth largest retailer in the United States and is a component of the S&P 500 index. The Target established itself as the discount division of the Dayton Company of Minneapolis, Minnesota. In 1962, it began expanded the store nationwide in the 1980s and introduced the new store format under the Target brand in 1990s. The company has found and the success as a cheap chick player in the industry. The parent company was renamed the Target Corporation in 2000 and divested itself for its large department store chains in 2004. It suffered from a massive and the highly published security breach of the customer and credit card data and that the failure of its short-lived Target Canada subsidy in the yearly 2010, but that the experience realized of the success with its expansions in urban market within the United States. As of the 2019, the Target operated 1,844 stores through the United States. The company is ranked number 37 on 2020. The Fortune 500 list of the data United States Corporation by the total revenue, their retail formats including the discount store Target, the hypermarket Super Target and the small format store previously the name of your city Target and the Target Express before that the being consolidated under the Target branding. Now that the company who just even to be a Target to open in the Minnesota in 1962, the present day of the properties are roughly that the 1,35,000 square feet. And now that the company who just even to be a use your financial and retail services formally Target of the financial services issues the Target credit card known as the Target red card issued through the Target National Bank for the customer and the throw of your Target bank for the your businesses and your Target financial services also oversees the gift card balance. The Target launched its PinX debit card, the Target card, which was the later rebranded as the Target debit card. And the Target debit card withdraw the fund from the customer existing checking account and allow for up to $40 cashback in 2017. The Target band it is that the company who just launched that and the branded of the management divisions and oversees by the company's private label product. It's including that the goods and the gathers, Archer Farms, Market Pantry, Simply of Your Balanced, Your Doggle, Boots, Ampark, Broom Essentials, Thread Hall, and Fieldcrest, Up and Up, and Pillowfast, Your Cat and Jack, Cloud Island, Project 62, Goodfellow, A Day Day, and Job Lab, and Hearth and Hands, and more of the above. It's it's un it's called to be a undivisible of the product. They have many of these. So hope you guys like this video. Then please like and share and keep supporting to our channel. Thank you for watching, guys.